So catalog is, if you log into the system first time, actually you have Applet Store only. So from Applet Store, then you can see the applets that you can install, right? Then you can click and install it. So this catalog is the applets that we add to the catalog. So for your site, we have three catalogs. One is billing department, so they only have four applets. And then you also have NSC accounts department, they have 23, and then admin 28. So when you click into this billing department, you can see how many all the applets that inside the applet, inside the catalog. So you also can see this user. So user means who can install this applets. Okay, who got the access for this catalog, and then from this catalog they can install this four applets. So from here you can see you have four users, and then when you click into this users, then you can delete the user from this catalog, and you also can uninstall the applets. You can uninstall the applets from this user. So let's say your one of the staff already resigned, then first you need to come to the catalog, and then you click in, you find the email from this user, and then you uninstall the applets, and then you delete the user from catalog. So